Welcome to Mott Motorcycles, and today we have this little gem for you. This is probably the lowest mileage I think I've ever seen on a used bike. We'll have a look round, and I'll keep that little bit of information as a surprise. Let's have a look round and talk through. So you've got an R125 finished in the Icon Blue. This one has a sport pack fitted, so I'll point that out as we go round. So going down the front, absolutely unmarked. Front mudguard unmarked. Tyres still with the little knobbles on, as you can see. Wheels unmarked. Up the interior as well. Going down the side, all the panels absolutely immaculate. So the side of the tank has got the grip pads, that's part of the sport pack, along with the brake guard there and the Gillet's brake lever. Also have a matching clutch lever as well. So you've got billet levers, a brake guard, the tank pads at the side there. Coming down the side, exhaust, rear wheel, again unmarked, little knobbles on the tyres as you can see. Bodywork as new, and then we have a genuine R125 tail tidy fitted, again part of that sports pack. Coming down the side here, we've got to get rid of that. Again, all absolutely immaculate. There is a charging cable on there for your battery, keep your battery topped up, and a quick shifter down there, again part of the sports pack. Coming over the top of the tank, absolutely immaculate. Down the sides, again unmarked on the sides. Wing mirrors down the front, and wheels all as new. This mirror, and then this side here. So absolutely immaculate. Let's just show you the miles. And there you go, 1 mile. That has to be the lowest miles of any used bike, certainly I've ever seen. So let's have a walk around. Let's start her up for you. So there we go, R125, probably the best looking 125, but I would say that, wouldn't I? Finished in probably the best colour, and with the lowest mileage you'll probably find on a used machine. Give us a call, send us an email, more than happy to look after you. Thanks for watching.